Alright guys, this is Chris coming to you from West Seattle, Washington with madcryptoconnections.com, and I wanted to show you this action camera. Now, it was about half the price of most GoPros, or at least $100 less than most GoPros, but the reviews I was watching online showed the quality is really similar to a GoPro, so I went ahead and got it. And this is it right here, the AKASO. Let's see if I can turn this so you can read it. Right here, the AKASO Action Camera V50 Pro, wireless connection, waterproof up to 98 feet. Shows some guy having a really good time on a, looks like a boogie board of some kind or a wakeboard. It is, I don't know if you can read that, but integrated wireless network, waterproof casing, adjustable view angle lens, storage, micro SDHC card, input outputs, mini USB. So let's open it up. So this box is separate and it has a case on top. So put the camera comes in this case. And there's a bunch of accessories here. So you have, first off, you have the camera that's mounted to the top of the box. Let's see if I can show that. My camera's kind of backwards here. Okay. So there's the camera that's mounted to the box on the top lid. And you can see that. That's what it looks like. And I still have to figure out how to unmount it. There's the AKASO. See if I can take it off here. Looks like it's screwed in somehow. Probably have to use a screwdriver for it. Yeah, so it's going to need a screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the mount here. You have to use a screwdriver. Let's see if I can show that. There we go. This comes off like so. Like that. Do it. That should be good enough. Okay. Then the screw comes out. And then it says getting started. It says right here, peel off the films on the camera screen and camera lens of the camera and the waterproof case. Make sure battery is full of power for the first time use. Format your SD card on the camera first before using, which is not included. And here we go. So I'm going to put this box out of the way. We have a bunch of accessories here. You can do a bunch of different things with your accessories. So here we go. Here it is. The AKASO V50 Pro. And here's some other parts to it. Now this opens and closes this case. You can take on and off. I haven't done that yet, but I could do it with you right now. So it says there's an arrow here. It says this lifts up. There you go. Just follow the arrows. And then this case opens up, which is the waterproof case. And then you take the camera out. If we can do that. Let's see if we can take this camera off. What does this say? Okay. Well, I still don't know what I'm doing here, but let's see if I can figure it out. Okay, so that comes out. There we go. So there's the waterproof case right there, if you can see that. That's a waterproof case. Put that to the side. Here's the camera. This is a AKASO V50 Pro. So there it is, little guy. You can mount it on all kinds of stuff. So let me show you that. Here's an extra case too. I'll show you these extra cases. So there's an extra case with another waterproof lid of some kind. Also, there is a control watch which you wear, and it's splash proof, not waterproof. So to use this, you don't go underwater. You'd have to just use the camera in the waterproof case. But this you can, there we go, I'll show it to you now. This you can turn on and off, do video, and use the camera. So there's that. This is a good little device. Let's see what else we got here. We also have this, another mount of some kind. So there's that. Let's see here. We got a battery charger. Got a battery charger here. Says it's a double charging dock. Okay. We got another mount here with the screw in it. We got an extra battery. So here's another battery, it goes in the dock. Looks like it goes in like that. We got some more mounts. We got a head strap. We got a flat mount, so you can put this on a bicycle or a car. There's probably an attachment for it, one of these attachments for it. There's some more mounts for bicycles and cars. There's a sticky pad on one side, so that tells me that's what it's for. There's another mount with a screw in it. There's some kind of cord. Let's see what this is. This here looks like a mini USB cord. Probably for the charging dock. Yep. Goes right here. Into the charging dock. Here's some zip ties. That's always good to have. Zip ties are good for everything. Here's another battery. So here is battery number 2. And this goes face down like that, where the metals are positive, negative, neutral. It's got 2 batteries. This looks like a tool of some kind. Oh, okay, so I didn't need a screwdriver. Look at that. You just put this on, and you turn. And you got your tool to, this looks like a bicycle thing that goes for a bike, because of the bar, the handlebar, or motorcycle. And then here's a wire with some more sticky pads. And then here's another screw with another mount. So there you go. Oh, and a cleaning cloth. So there's that too. Also comes with a reference guide, quick reference guide. and a "We want to hear from you" card. Get free accessories by doing this survey, so I'll do that right when we're done here. And that's pretty much all for this camera. There's a lot of accessories, so that's neat that they give you all this stuff with the camera when others don't. And then we'll go back through everything here. So this is the AKASO V50 Pro camera. This is the controller watch with on-off and video camera and still photos. Here's a battery charger with 2 batteries. Here's a USB cord. Here's a mount, well, a bracket at least. Here's a couple flat mounts for desks or dashes, things like that. Here's another bracket mount. Something goes into here. Here's another waterproof lens and case of some kind. Don't know how that goes together yet. Here's a wire with 2 sticky pads to adhese to plastics and glass. Here's a couple mounts you can put in a lot of different places. Here's a cleansing cloth. Here's a tool. Here's a handlebar mount. Zip ties. Another bracket mount of some kind. This is another flat mount. Something that goes on something flat surface. Here's a head mount, so you can do stuff point of view. And then here's the screw that locked it into the box when I bought it. And that's all. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.